Hi everyone. Today we are going to be filling out this spreadsheet. The most common reason to use spreadsheets is to store and organize data like revenue, payroll, and accounting information. But you can basically use this to store any kind of data that you would like. Spreadsheets in Excel allow the user to make calculations and to produce graphs and charts really easily. Alright, so let's have a look at this spreadsheet. So down at the bottom left-hand corner, we've got these tabs. We've got inventory, calculations, and sales data. So these are like little pages that we can flick through, kind of like a book. We're going to be working in the inventory today, and we're going to be putting in the data that you can see that's yellow, as well as making a whole new table for the specials. So let's get a closer look at what these tables tell us. The product has the name of the product. Units on hand is how many of that product the canteen has to sell. So for this example, the canteen has 20 cheesies to sell, and that's it. The cost price is how much it costs the canteen to make one of that product. So in this case, it cost the canteen 25 cents to make one cheesy. The sale price is how much the canteen sells that one cheesy for. Margin is another fancy word for profit, but it's for one. Okay, so for one cheesy, the profit that the canteen makes, the money that they make, is $1.75. So we can find that by using some math. It's the sale price, take away the cost price. The potential profit is if the canteen sold all of the units on hand. So basically it is the margin of one of the products times the units on hand. Now, that sounds like a lot of math, but trust me, I'm going to show you how to cheat at it. Alright, let's get started. You should have your Excel worksheet on the left-hand side and your Word document on the right. Please get that set up now, and we're going to start by entering the sale price of each of these products. We start by entering the numbers in manually. So you click on the box and you type in the number. But don't worry, you don't need to put in the dollar sign. That will automatically be put in for you. Now, as we go down to the sushi, you'll find that the sushi is all of the same price. So here's a little trick. You only have to type it in once, and then you drag the little green square down, and it will copy it into those boxes for you. Now, you can only do that when it's the same, unfortunately, but we'll be using this trick again very soon. So just finish off putting in the sale price. Okay, so now we're going to be putting in the margin formula. So remember, margin is the sale price, take away the cost price. So it's the profit of one product. So I can show you the formula here in the text box. So it's equals D3, take away C3. So D and C is the column, and the 3 is the row that the data is in. All right, so let's give this a go. So you want to click on the box that you want to put the formula in. You press equals. You click on the box that has the sales data, put in takeaway, and then click on the box with the cost price. Press enter. All right, let's try again. So equals, sale price, takeaway, cost price. And you just keep on going. So continue with this formula. Just remember equals, click on the box that has sale price, takeaway, click on the box with cost price, enter. Okay, I promise I was going to make it easy for you guys. So what you need to do is once you've got a formula, you're going to click on it and drag the green square down to fill the rest of that column. Now you can't go through any words. Okay, so that's why I didn't continue on. So you'll need to put the formula in again here. But then once you've got it, click on it once and then drag the green square down and voila, it's done for you. Easy. All right, so now we're going to be looking at the potential profit. So basically it's equals margin times units on hand. All right, so the little times is the little asterisk on your keyboard. So you can find that near the number pad on the right hand side. So equals, click on margin square, little asterisk, and then click on the units on hand box and then press enter and use your trick. Click and drag that box down. Now you can't go through the words, so you have to continue putting the formula in every time you want to add it. But look at this, click, drag it all the way down, and it's done for you. Excellent. All right, so just finish those off for me, and then we're going to get into the specials. Okay, so we want the same format for our specials as is the available daily resets only. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy the first two rows. So you're going to click on that box there, hold shift and click on potential profit. You're going to go Control C, miss a column, click on the first box and then press Control V to paste. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to rename that to Monday Specials. Now, I actually make the mistake of just writing Monday, but please put in Monday Specials. And then going from step 4, we're going to enter the daily specials into the inventory. So chicken burger, hamburger, cheeseburger. And then we're going to put in the units on hand, so 20, 20, 35. And then the cost price. Now, when we put the cost price, it won't automatically put in the dollar sign. So I'm going to show you how to do that. You want to select all three of those. So you're going to click and drag all three of those. And then in the middle, there's a little dollar sign. Click on that and voila, you've got your dollar signs there. And you'll need to do that for the sale price and margin, potential profit, etc. I just used my trick there. See, sale price is all the same. So I did the click and then drag the little square down. All right, so margin equals sale price, take away cost price, enter. We can use our trick, click and drag through. Now potential profit is equals margin times units on hand. And then you can use the little trick. So what I'd like you to do now is I would like you to copy this. So select everything, Control C, miss a row, and then Control V, and you're going to make this for Tuesday. Now, thankfully, you don't actually have to do anything for this because it's exactly the same as Monday. All right, there I go, putting my specials in. So now I can copy all of those, miss a row, Control V, and continue with the Wednesday specials. Now you'll find that when you change the units on hand, cost price or sale price, the margin and potential profit will change automatically, so you don't even need to do anything for that. How easy is that? It copies the formula for you. Alright, so what I'd like you to do is I would like you to continue with this and get Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday finished.